Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a pre-owned 2025 Nissan Kicks Play SUV in the color Super Black. This is a front-wheel drive vehicle. Under the hood you do get a 1.6 liter engine paired with a CVT transmission. I'm going to take a look at some of the key features they have here. We have our LED headlights, fog lights, and if we come just down here to the left is where you'll find our engine block heater. Now let's take a look on the inside of the door. We have plenty of storage space. You have your window controls there, door locks, mirror adjusters. We have our heated steering wheel just right there to the left, gas button, and our hood button. We also have the fully digital center dash, leather wrapped steering wheel, and on the side we do have our audio controls. Right hand side is where you'll have your distance for your cruise control settings as well as your hands-free calling. Coming over here to our entertainment screen. So starting off, let's go to audio. Make sure to turn it down a bit. Source, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You also do get the USBs, Bluetooth, Android Auto, and you also do get Apple CarPlay. I'm going to show you the reverse, get the guidelines there. Coming down, you have your automatic climate control zone, heated seats for the front passengers. We also do have the charging ports, USB and USB-C. More storage space. We have the push to start stop button, and then more cup space. Okay, so we made it to the back, and as you see, we do have privacy glass on all windows, darker on the back, of course. We're gonna come over here to the back of the vehicle. We have the Nissan Kicks logo there. Lift this baby up, and we do have the cargo cover, our engine block heater cord right there. We lift this guy up, you have your spare tire and your jack. Plenty of storage space. You can also take this down if you would like. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the 2025 Nissan Kicks Play SV. If you have any questions, come on in or give us a call and we will be happy to help you out.